Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you these two items. This one is fast charging cable and this one is the travel adapter, and both are from mFish. Friends, this is a very high quality product that in the market. This is a 4-in-1 charger and fast charging. It can support up to 240 watt, and this is a very fast charging 4-in-1. That's the one important thing, 4-in-1. And this one is a adapter, travel adapter, so it can support like different power range from 110 volt to 240 volt, like whole over the world there are different voltage. Few countries have 240, some are 220, and in US it is 120, 110 to 120. So there are different voltage range, and this one is for travel purpose. Like it has it supports all of them, and it has 3 output, like 3 USB-C connector you can take out. One is already built in and 2 more you can put, and this is also 65 watt. So in this video I'm going to show you about these two new items from mFish. So let's open the box and see what comes inside it. So friends, let's open the box. First let's go to the charging cable. This is see, look at the package. Even the package is really nice. I never saw some charging cable with this kind of package. And it is Armored Dragon 4-in-1 charger, supports 240 watt maximum. So let's open the box. Out of this, and oh my gosh, it comes in a box. Look at, friends, look at this. This comes in a box, nice box. And then this is the charger. Oh my gosh, see, look at the quality. Look at the quality. It is really beautiful quality. And the strip, look at the strip. And this is 3 meter long. This is 3 meter long. So look at the quality, and think the main reason to call it 4:1, 4-in-1, the reason is this one. Look at here, there are two, but this has, if you pull it, you can see this has USB-C. Same here, this has USB-C. You can simply pull it. It's not that hard, the whatever it looks on the phone camera, but you can see it's 2 plus 2, so 4. You can, these are the four kind of cables, like ports are now in the market available. And there is micro USB-C, but it doesn't have micro USB-C, but lightning, USB-C, and regular USB-A, and USB-C. So all, any combination if you want, you can use it. That's why they said it's 4:1, and it's very simple. You pull it back, this is good. If you need this one, just pull it, and if another side, if it needs this one, just pull it, then done. That's all. It's very simple and very good quality. Look at the quality. This is really nice. If you look at here, my this hero, this one Hero GoPro, it has 4% charge, and you know, all of you know, it supports only USB-C. So I want to use this USB-C. So you can see now it is actually 3%, and let me put it in charge. Let's say I am putting this one. This is the adapter that you know, all of you know. And let me connect this one on this side. On this side now it is 2%. Actually it is losing all the charge, and I have this portable charger. You can see the portable charger, and let me connect to this portable charger. And if I have USB-C, I could have connected to USB-C, but this is regular, so I have to use the regular, so it supports both. That's the magic. And you can see actually it is charging, so it is charging. So the charging is working, the cable is working fine, perfectly fine, and it is 4:1. This is really good. I really liked it. So you can see this is charging, and the fast charging, yeah, that is very hard to tell. I have to put my phone on the charger and do the testing, but this is from this one and it is charging. It is charging. You can see from 2 to now it becomes 3%, so it's increased. So this is really good, and I love the quality. Look at the quality of this product, friends. And I have gone through their website. They say they did a lot of testing, 30,000 times bending testing they did on these ones. This it passed. And look at the cable. It is silicon. It is fully silicon, very thick and really good. Plus it has the data transfer rate. It can transfer data at maximum 480 mbps, so it supports 480 mbps. That's really good. So this is really very high quality product, friends. So this one is good. Let's go to the adapter. Let's see the adapter. So now let's see, look at the package. This is really good. And 65 watt. It has 3 outlet. So one is already built in USB-C, and you can connect two more USB-C, and it has a digital display also. So this is the package, and it supports maximum 65 watt. So if you open this, oh my gosh, looks like I purchased a diamond. Look at this. This is really good. Oh my gosh, looks like it's a diamond, friends. This is really nice. Look at this. Look at the packaging. Look at the product. My gosh, this is really beautiful product. I am really super impressed. And if you take it off, you can see it has, oh my gosh, so, and this is magnetic, and this is magnetic, friends. This is magnetic, and one USB-C and one USB, regular USB. So 2 USB-C, 1 and 2, and 1 USB regular. This is really beautiful. And look at this. This is the plug, and you can connect. So this is the really nice product, friends, and it will show here the display. Let me show you. So friends, let me do the testing. And I have the power cord here, so let me connect it to this one, and you can see it is showing it is showing 0 right now. Nothing is used, so that is true. Let me connect this one. Let me use this one. So I am connecting to this port, and this will go to this one. This phone doesn't have any charge, I believe. It's 1%. So let me connect, and you can see it is charging, and you can see how much watt it is using. It is showing 7 watt, 6 watt something. So it is based on whatever it needs. It is showing, it is charging. And this charger is maximum 65 watt, friends, and different one, like if you add all 3 together, then the total watt will be distributed. There is a chart you can see here in different connection how much will be the watt range. So maximum watt, how much support when it is connected to multiple devices. So you can see that from the chart here. So this is working fine. And now let me connect multiple devices and see how much it is giving. While it is charging the phone, let me use this one. Let me use this one and connect it to my laptop and see the laptop is charging or not. The laptop is also charging, friends. You can see the laptop is charging also. It is charging, and the iPhone is also charging. Let me show you. The iPhone is also charging, and total watt you can see it is showing 51 watt, 49 watt, based on how much power it is using. And you can see that total right now it is using that, so it has the capability to work. And you can see, so I'm gonna add one more. So now I'm gonna use this one, my Hero, and I have this charger which has USB and USB-C. So I need to change this port. I need to use the USB-C because uh, this one is only USB. So right now only laptop is connected, and you can see it is using 52 watt. So still it can support maximum 65 watt, but it is still doing that, so it is good. Now I'm gonna connect to another this one, and the phone is charging. You can see the phone is charging from 1%. Now it's already 6%. You can see how fast it charged. It's not even 3-4 minutes. And I'm adding this one, this USB port here, and connecting this one to my Hero GoPro 12. So you can see it start charging also. All three devices are now charging, and this is also charging. And you can see now total power it is using 54 watt, 52, 53, some different. So you can see it is changing the powers. So all devices are working together. So friends, looks like this is working perfectly. I'm very happy with this, and I'm really happy with this, and this is working perfectly fine. And as I told you, when you are connecting multiple devices, the total watt will be distributed among all the devices. But looks like it didn't reach even its highest level yet, because it's now using maximum 52 watt. So which is like, okay, maximum supported is 65 watt. So this test is really fine. And also, as I mentioned, they do a lot of testing on this. If you go to mFish website, and you will see a lot of testing they did about on this. So it passed all those testing, and so this is working fine as expected. So I'm very happy with this. And one more feature I didn't tell you about this cable. If you look at here, it's actually glowing. It's showing different colors. You can see it's glowing actually. I never told you. Even same thing here also. You can see it's changing different colors. There's a LED here, so it's like, it's nice, it's fancy. So friends, that's all about this video. Both the devices I tested, and both are working perfectly fine. This travel charger as well as this fast charging cable, both are working really nice. I'm super happy with this. So, and one more good information is, if you use my link, the link that I shared in the description box, if you use that, you will get 10% off. So you can easily use that link to get 10% off. And that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.